Join the TSM frame and micrometer securely. Mount the TSM onto the spindle, 60 mm, using the provided bolt. Ensure the TSM tip is aligned and touching the steel ball inside the spindle. Set the micrometer reading to 0, 0. Fine-tune the TSM tip alignment so it precisely touches the steel ball. Reconfirm and set the micrometer to 0, 0 after alignment. 0 both the micrometer and dial gauge to establish the reference point. Note the spindle size, in this case, it's 60 mm. To increase bore size, adjust the micrometer to the desired value. For example, to bore 5 mm extra, total 65 mm, rotate the micrometer 5 divisions. Insert the boring tool into the spindle slot. Using Allen keys, adjust it until it just touches the TSM tip without disturbing the 0 setting, then tighten it securely.